Previously on Roses and Daggers.
I feel Mom has done enough. Winnie will be fine.
Why Winnie?
Nothing. I just think we've troubled Mom enough. She didn't come here to babysit me.
But Winnie was.
As a matter of fact, yes. What is your problem?
I need to know something. What has been Anita's agenda lately?
I don't understand.
What have you guys been up to? Who do you go out with? Where have you guys been going?
Listen, whatever this is, you should go talk to your wife.
And what happened?
What could have happened? I told him I didn't know the guy. The nurse and I met the guy going into your room before we left. I found the flowers. I went back, I looked for the guy everywhere. I couldn't find him.
Val, I need to find this person.
What's going on?
Zach has been unbearable since yesterday. He's grumpy. He wouldn't even talk to me. My house is on fire just because of this photo.
You not stay in this house. Go and find your own husband and a home. You not stay here.
Stop victimizing her. If you have a problem, come to me and stop attacking the poor girl.
She's not a poor girl. Zach.
Mom, please. Stop attacking her. She didn't take the picture. And she didn't put it online with a tag on it, love.
So this is what all this is about?
I'm leaving now. I'm on my way. Kuma, please, take care of yourself. Promise me you will take care of yourself.
I will, Mama.
And your sister too. Please find her for me, okay? Please don't give up on her. Huh? Don't give up on her. Huh, Kuma?
Mama, please come back soon.
Yes, I will come back soon. I won't keep long. Promise me that you will keep with your studies. Don't forget your studies, okay? When I come back, I want to get good report. And also, I won't forget to send you what I promised to send you, okay? Okay?
Okay, Ma.
So just be patient. I will do all I can, okay?
Safe journey, Ma.
Okay, thank you, my dear. Thank you, okay?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Hey, what are you doing?
Hey, where are they?
What?
The items for the bride price. I need to make sure you didn't get me an oversized price.
Okay, so I wanted you to help me with it.
I don't understand.
I've not had time to go. for it.
You haven't had time to get my bride priced?
Come on, Val.
You do understand it's just a month to the date.
I know that. It's just a day's job. We can get it anytime.
Wait, when you say you haven't had time, what exactly do you mean by that?
What else do I mean?
Joshua, does this marriage mean anything to you at all?
Oh, it's not come to this, Val.
Then what does it come to? You tell me. Because every day it's one thing to another. Even getting our wedding rings has become a hell of a problem. What is going on?
Nothing.
You don't want this anymore, right?
Valerie.
Is it too much to ask? I'm just asking you to put our wedding a priority. I'm not getting married to myself.
Val.
Stop mentioning my name and give me some answers.
Okay. We'll go get the rings when I'm back from the site. I promise.
Oh. I bet the first sweater quickly. But I come along couldn't crawl. But I come up, well. I got a vewa.
Oh.
If you put a veva lady, it's a veva.
Oh.
And you, if you can't get those strong women, you can now start your apprenticeship in dressmaking. That sounds good, eh?
Yes.
Okay. Whew.
Here. What are you going to do with it?
You soon find out. Enough.
Alright, but she can't find out it's gone. I have to take it back as soon as possible.
Don't worry.
Okay.
What do you say? Let's get to know each other better. Yeah?
Essie Nam.
I'm here.
Mevalo.
Yo, dogom la papa and kume megbana fifi lai.
Yo. Essie Nam.
Megbo. Better not wear this in town. I beg. Otherwise, Adeka will bring down a storm. He says I should wear this after the knocking. He wants everybody in town to know that he's taking very good care of me. Oh.
Don't worry. I'll bring it back as soon as I'm done.
Don't even wash it and dry it on your compound. Oh. You just bring it back to me. I'll wash it myself, okay?
Yo, akpe.
Oh, sesi Melo John lo. Melo John. Yo.
I feel it's a little distant. My guts is telling me something is off. I quite don't know what.
Like he's cheating?
Please.
I know. And there's ever a girl that can sway him like you do. Maybe it's work related.
I don't know. It's just... You know he stopped.
Stopped what?
He doesn't touch me anymore.
Oh!
I confronted him about it and he wants us to have sex till after the wedding.
That guy is perfect indeed.
Are you hearing me? I'm not getting any.
That accounts for your anxiety.
I am serious.
Listen, I think you're stressing way too much. You don't have a problem. Men are always impossible to deal with when it comes to weddings. And hey, you're lucky to have a zealous mother-in-law who knows her fashion too.
You mean overzealous mother-in-law?
I know.
You have something on your mind?
Yes.
What is it?
I received a message this morning.
Did you try calling back again?
Again and again. Zach will be home soon. And this message thing needs to stop. I don't know who's taunting me like that.
It has to stop.
Sir.
Yeah?
Tomorrow, do you want us to pass through the site before inspection in the morning?
Oh no, just let's have a rest. I'll see you in the morning.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Hello?
Mom?
No, it's me. I just got back from town. Are you alright?
Yes. Winifred.
Yeah. I just wanted to check on you.
I'm fine. We'll be out in a minute.
Sure, okay.
Hey.
Hey.
You've been out for a while.
Yes, I had a few things to do in town. Sorry. But look, I got you these.
Thank you. They are lovely.
You mentioned that you love those.
I do. Thank you.
You're welcome. Alright, so I'll be in my room if you need anything.
No problem.
Alright.
Winifred, thank you very much for the grapes.
You're welcome.
Olu, you must be tired. Now just go to bed. I'll drive myself.
No, I'm okay.
I insist. Hand over the keys. Okay? Just a moment. Okay, yeah. Treat yourself.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Welcome.
I don't wanna be lonely. Walk to me boldly. Please give me your hand. I keep on falling. Your love keep me rising. Please give me your hand. Every season, every moment, every hour, all the time, every season, every moment, every hour, all the time. Stand by me, baby. Nobody loves me like you do.
See, this thing, the man didn't teach me in school. Oh.
Let me see.
It's just sending me insane. I can't do it. Try and do it.
But this is simple. Okay. I'm tired.
Well, I'll be leaving so you can get some rest, alright?
It feels lonely without Mama here. Please stay for a while.
Baby, you know my hostel street is not safe. I have to get going.
Hey, you can stay over. I know this place is not ideal for you, but
It's not that.
But what?
Yeah, Olu, where are you? I need to take something from the car. Why? Why didn't you take him? So what? You don't know where he went to? Alright, okay. Alright, fine.
I can't live without you, baby. Stand by me, baby. Come on and stand by me. I love you, baby. Stand by me, baby. Stand by me, baby. Stand by me. That time, you know I love you. Stand by me, baby.
Dave Yolo. Ceci. Ceci! Ceci! Ah! Won't you go to bed? It's late. It's very late. Whoever you are sitting out here waiting for will not show up. You're only buying malaria for yourself. Go in and sleep.
You look very pretty. And your foot is better, I see.
I was afraid you wouldn't come.
I promised.
Yes. I'll go get the room ready.
I'm not staying.
But you just got here.
Maybe we can chat for a few minutes and then I'll go back.
Tonight?
I'm afraid so.
No. You drove all the way here, alone, by yourself. You must be tired.
Look, I've work in the morning.
What good is that work when you end up dead from an accident?
Ceci.
No. At least have a few rest. And then you can set off in the morning.
All right.
Okay.
No. Leave your grandmother alone. I'll I'll sleep in the car.
Out here? Alone?
Well, I remember someone did tell me that this community is safe.
All right. I'll stay with you then.
Okay. I bought you something. Like, I don't want you to go to the business center again just to call me.
A phone? But we don't have light to charge it here.
Oh.
Oh, don't worry. I'll charge it at the station.
And I got your number as well. It's right in.
I can't believe I have one of these. Thank you.
Okay, give it to me. Let's do this. Okay, it's your phone, so you. There you go. Okay. You're right. Okay.
It's nice.
It is. So, tell me something about what are you up to? I mean, are you still doing the dressmaking here?
No. Next week, maybe.
You don't sound happy about it. Why don't you want me to help you? Sassy.
Why do you want to help me?
Maybe I'm very kind.
I'll think about it.
Okay.
You have an early date tomorrow.
Yeah.
Good night.